To my mind, I think the organization leader, the CEO, the overall head of the organization plays a major role. I can cite a very good example here from one of my previous organizations, which is a major hospitality player in the country. The CEO and the chairman were directly involved in selecting the right kind of talent. And incidentally, this organization is known for the kind of experience it provides to its customers. So right at the very beginning, a person may be competent enough, but if he doesn't fit into what was known as a brand fit for this particular organization, he won't get hired, because through these employees, the organization was delivering value, that experience, which ultimately created the services brand for the organization. So I think that entire cycle, that chain of the right kind of employees getting hired through a proper training into customer services and other related areas, and then ensuring that they deliver the brand value of the organization, that experience, I think that essentially creates the overall brand that a final customer or a consumer experiences. So I think, and for this particular organization, it had happened over a long period of time, and that brand value has been sustained over so many years. And this organization has won a lot of awards and accolades for the type of services that they have provided within the hospitality space. So I think the overall head of the organization's vision about the type of brand value that it creates, communicating it down the line, and ensuring the right fit to actually deliver that kind of an experience. I think that has been a tremendous experience for me as well.